Hi guys, we're going to get our reading and grammar notebook and we're going to go talk about the reading part. So we go to our camera. And we don't really have a whole lot to do. We're just going to talk a little bit about what we should have in there. So if we go to reading, we did our character traits at the beginning of the year, remember? Okay, and then we moved into context clues. That was next. Okay. And now we just finished with answering questions. We talked about how we put the questions back in the sentence. So we are all finished with that. So I'm going to have to put together some things to mail to you or pass out at school for the next set that we're going to do. But because we don't have anything here, we're going to start talking about our reading, our writing. And I have just a little short writing. I think that most of you have seen this writing program before. If you were in Miss Osgood's room, you did some things on the computer where you typed in, some answers and some things in your computer. So I'm going to be sending those. And so what you'll want to do is you'll need to open up the slide and watch the video or read through the slides that she has. And then you're going to have to type in some things and you're going to be using Google Docs. So you'll be typing in there and it'll be sending to me. If it's the exact same writing that you did last year, then that means I'm going to need you to improve on it or add to it, not just turn in the same one. Because I know that Miss Osgood has the ones from last year still. So I don't want to see the exact same one. I want to see the new one. So, but I will be sending those not starting on Monday. So today we're not going to start them. We'll start them probably on Tuesday. All right. So our day back isn't quite so awful, is it? All right. So to finish up, let's go back before I say we're finished here. So we just went over reading interactive notebook. If you haven't been doing anything in Mayan, it would be very nice if you would go in there and take your benchmark for sure and maybe spend a little time reading. Great books there. We did our morning message already, and we did we're going to be doing our read aloud. The read aloud is just going to be some books that I wanted to share with you. I think maybe you might enjoy them. Your daily agenda is where you can check what we're working on. Morning work, we did that. Vocabulary, we got our 5 new words and our definitions. And grammar, we got our new focus on irregular past tense verbs. And then for spelling, you need to go to Spelling City. There's going to be a video. So in Spelling Lists, you'll want to click in there and watch the video about how Spelling City may have changed. They had sent an email saying they were going to change it a little bit. I'm nervous, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. And then let's go back to classes here. If we go into math, then in our math folders, what we should be having, that IXL, we're still on topic 4. So you still have time to finish on these starred activities. But if this is something you want to print out or you like to just, use to check off things, that is a wonderful use of that. And let's go back. Okay. And then we have our lessons. So our Envision lessons. Let's go back to post, folders. Okay. And then you're going to find your Envision lessons right in here. All right. And I'm kind of looking into a different program other than doing extra math that would be fun for you guys to work on your math facts. So I will let you know when I've made my decision on that. But so we're all done for our first day back into the new year. If you have any questions, please let me know. And we will be having our meeting today at 2:00. Hope you could make it. I'd love to see your faces and hear how your Christmases were, your break were. And if you need any help with any of our schoolwork today. All right, well, that is all for me to share with you for now, and I will hopefully see you at our meeting. And if not, I will see you in our morning message tomorrow.